हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम बैक टू आवर ऑनलाइन क्लासरूम की टू सक्सेस। आज मैं इस वीडियो में हिस्ट्री के फर्स्ट चैप्टर नेचर ऑफ स्टेट के 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के पार्ट 2 का वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ। इससे पहले हमारे चैनल पे इस चैप्टर के पार्ट 1 के वीडियो अपलोड किए गए हैं। ये वीडियो सिर्फ इंग्लिश मीडियम के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हैं। हमारे चैनल पे हिंदी मीडियम के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी वीडियोस अपलोड किए गए हैं हिस्ट्री के। अगर आप हमारे चैनल से पहली बार जुड़ रहे हैं या फिर इस वीडियो को पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो मैं इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में पार्ट 1 की वीडियो का लिंक दे दूँगी, आप चेकआउट कर लीजिएगा। तो चलिए हम इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट द एंटिक्विटी ऑफ अर्थशास्त्र? आंसर, The Arthashastra is an ancient Indian treatise on statecraft, politics, and military strategy that is attributed to Kautilya, who was the chief minister to the Mauryan emperor Chandragupta. हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, who was Ziauddin Barni? आंसर, Ziauddin Barni, Urdu 1285 to 1358 CE, was an Indian political thinker of the Delhi Sultanate located in present-day northern India during Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firuz Shah regime. He was best known for composing the Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi. Our next question, what was Ziauddin Barni's contribution to medieval history? Answer, Ziauddin Barni made significant contributions to medieval history, particularly the context of the Delhi Sultanate. His most notable work are Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi and Fatwa-e-Jahandari. Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi is a historical account of the Delhi Sultanate covering the period from the reign of Ghayat al-Din Tughlaq to the first 6 years of the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. This work provides valuable insights into the political structures, governance, and challenges faced by the rulers of the Delhi Sultanate. Fatwa-e-Jahandari, on the other hand, is a treatise of governance outlining the political ideas to be pursued by a Muslim ruler. This work showcases Barani's thoughts on the role of monarch, the importance of justice, and the relationship between the ruler and the ruled. Our next question, what was Barni's theory of monarchy? Answer, Ziauddin Barni's theory of monarchy emphasizes 1. Defined rights of kings. The monarch is God's representative on earth. Next, justice and accountability. The monarch must uphold justice and is accountable to God and his subject. Third, patron-client relationship. The monarch has a scared responsibility to protect his subjects in exchange for loyalty and obedience. Next question, number 15. What are the 2 written books by Barni and what are the content of them? Answer, Ziauddin Barni wrote 2 notable books. One, Tariq-e-Firoz Shahi. This book is a historical account of the Delhi Sultanate covering the period from of region of Ghayat al-Din Tughlaq to the first 6 years of the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The book provides valuable insights into political structures, governance, and challenges faced by the ruler of the Delhi Sultanate. Second, Fatwa-e-Jahandari. This book is a treatise on governance outlining the political ideals To be persuaded by a Muslim ruler, the book covered tips such as: first point, the role of the monarch in Islamic society. Second, the importance of justice and fairness in governance. Third, the relationship between the ruler and his subject. Fourth, the responsibilities of the ruler toward his subject. Fifth, the importance of upholding Islamic law and values in governance. Next question number 16. Who are the ulemas? Answer: the ulemas are scholars of Islam who are considered to be the guardians, interpreters, and transmitters of Islamic religious knowledge. The word ulema comes from the Arabic word ulema, which literally means the learned ones. The ulema have played a key role in Islamic society since the death of the Prophet Muhammad in 632 CE. Our next question: what did Bernie says about the king's autocracy? Answer: Ziauddin Berni believed that the king's autocracy was divinely sanctioned. Berni argued that the king's authority was derived from God and therefore his power was legitimate and sacred. Unlimited power. According to Berni, the king had absolute and unlimited power with complete control over his subjects and the state. Next, not accountable to anyone. Berni believed that the king was not accountable to anyone except God. This meant that the king was not found by any earthly authority or institution. Question number 18. How did Berni analyze the social class system in Sultanate period? Answer: Ziauddin Berni analyzed the social class system during the Sultanate period 1206 to 1526 CE. In his book Tarikh-i-Firuz Shahi, he identified four main social classes. Number 1, Ashraf means nobility. The Ashraf class consisted of the ruling elite, including the Sultan, noble, and high ranking officials. They held power, wealth, and influence. Number 2, Ayan, gentry. The Ayan class comprised the landed aristocracy, including Jagirdars, feudal lords, zamindars means landlords, and other wealthy individuals. Number 3, Mubai, merchants. The Mubai class consisted of merchants, traders, and artisans. They played a crucial role in the economy, but their social status was lower than that of the Ashraf and Ayans. Next question, number 19. What is theocracy? Answer: theocracy may be defined as a form of government in which God or deity is considered as the ruler or king and his dictates or laws recognized as the law of the lands. Our last question from this video, number 20. What is the Islamic theocracy? Answer: Islamic theocracy. An Islamic theocracy would mean an Islamic state in which God or Allah is the ruler and his words, the Quran, divine words, इज द बेसिक ऑफ ऑल द लॉज। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट कीजिएगा और ये वीडियो अपने फ्रेंड्स में भी शेयर कीजिएगा। और अगर इस चैनल से पहली बार जुड़ रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा ताकि आने वाले सभी चैप्टर्स के वीडियो आप तक पहुंच पाए। थैंक यू। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पार्ट 3 में।